Ever wondered what it's like to live in a palace worth billions? From futuristic designs to breathtaking gardens, these billionaire mansions redefine luxury. Today, we're uncovering the top 5 most lavish homes of 2025. Stay with us as we dive in, exploring jaw-dropping architecture, mind-blowing amenities, and the secrets behind these billionaire residences that most people could only dream of stepping inside. Mansion number 5, Palais Buelles, Bubble Palace, Thille-sur-Mer, French Riviera. At the edge of the French Riviera in Thille-sur-Mer, the Palais Buelles, or Bubble Palace, stands as a surreal architectural masterpiece. Designed by Antti Lovag and spanning 1,200 square meters, this estate is famous for its organic, spherical structures, winding interiors, and panoramic terraces overlooking the Mediterranean. Once owned by fashion icon Pierre Cardin, it includes an amphitheater, infinity pool, avant-garde living areas, and a private cinema. The property's gardens feature sculpted greenery and hidden lounging areas, blending art and luxury seamlessly. Price estimates reach around €350 million, making it one of Europe's most eccentric billionaire homes. Would you dare host a party in a mansion built entirely from bubbles? Mansion number 4, Villa Les Cedres, Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, France. On the exclusive Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat peninsula along the French Riviera sits Villa Les Cedres, a 19th-century estate now owned by Ukrainian billionaire Rinat Akhmetov. Valued at around €200 million, this palatial property covers 35 acres with 14 bedrooms, a grand ballroom, a majestic library with over 3,000 volumes, and an Olympic-sized pool. Its crown jewel is the 14-hectare botanical garden, home to over 14,000 exotic plant species, including tropical trees maintained in 25 heated greenhouses. Once owned by King Leopold II of Belgium, the villa blends historical opulence with modern luxury, offering both privacy and spectacular Mediterranean views. Could anyone imagine exploring a garden so vast that it feels like its own kingdom? Mansion number 3, The One, Bel Air, Los Angeles, USA, 150 words. Next, perched high in the ultra-exclusive hills of Bel Air, Los Angeles, is The One, a mega-mansion designed to redefine modern luxury. Valued at nearly $500 million, this sprawling estate covers over 105,000 square feet across 10 levels, making it one of the largest private homes in the United States. The mansion boasts 21 bedrooms, 42 bathrooms, a 5,000-bottle wine cellar, multiple theaters, a bowling alley, and a rooftop infinity pool with 360 degrees panoramic city views. Designed by billionaire developer Niall Niami, The One also includes a private nightclub, an impressive auto gallery for exotic cars, and a dedicated wellness floor complete with a spa, gym, and sauna. Each floor is meticulously crafted with luxurious finishes and state-of-the-art technology, blending entertainment, comfort, and opulence. Could anyone truly imagine living in a home where every amenity imaginable exists under one roof and every corner feels larger than life? Mansion number 2, Villa La Leopolda, French Riviera, France. Perched on the breathtaking hills of Villefranche-sur-Mer along the French Riviera, Villa La Leopolda is one of the world's most legendary estates. Built in the early 20th century and spanning 50,000 square feet, it sits on 20 acres with meticulously landscaped gardens and views of the Mediterranean that seem endless. Currently owned by the Saffer family, the mansion is valued around $750 million, making it one of the priciest private homes in Europe. It features 19 bedrooms, a private marina, indoor and outdoor pools, and multiple guest houses. With its mix of Belle Epoque charm and modern luxuries, this villa embodies exclusivity and extravagance. Would you dare to step into a mansion where history and wealth meet so magnificently? Mansion number 1, Antilia, Mumbai, India. Topping our countdown is Antilia, the crown jewel of billionaire residences, owned by Mukesh Ambani, India's richest man. Located in the heart of Mumbai, this 27-story skyscraper mansion is valued at over $2 billion, making it one of the world's most expensive homes. Antilia features 3 helipads, a 168-car garage, multiple swimming pools, a private theater, a spa, and a ballroom. Every floor is uniquely themed, with hanging gardens and panoramic city views that stretch for miles. The mansion employs over 600 staff to maintain its lavish interiors and sprawling amenities. Could anyone truly imagine living in a home where every detail is designed on a scale beyond imagination? Antillia isn't just a house. It's a vertical city of unimaginable luxury. From the futuristic bubble palace to the towering Antillia, these mansions showcase the extraordinary lifestyles of billionaires in 2025. Luxury, design, and scale reach unimaginable heights in each home. If you enjoyed this peek into billionaire mansions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more exclusive tours of the world's most lavish estates.